Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, and that you're on the Wi-Fi network you want to share. Once done, make sure you know the exact SSID and password because you'll need them for the QR content. Now open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, then tap the circled eye or the connected network to view details. This ensures you're generating a QR for the correct router and avoids confusion later when scanning. You'll now generate the QR. Copy the SSID and password exactly. Wi-Fi credentials are case-sensitive, and open Shortcuts or a trusted QR generator app. If using Shortcuts, create a new shortcut that builds text in the Wi-Fi format. Wi-Fi TWPA, S your SSID, P your password, then use Generate QR Code action. If using an app, paste the same Wi-Fi payload. This format tells scanners the network type, SSID, and password, so devices can connect automatically. Finally, save the generated QR as a PNG and immediately test it with another phone to confirm automatic join. Once verified, you can print it, add it to notes, or share the image. Keep a backup copy for guests. If scanning fails, make sure the SSID exactly matches, verify the encryption type, WPA versus WPA2, and restart the router or toggle iPhone Wi-Fi. Addressing those common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.